Think all plant-based foods are good for you? Think again. Some can actually harm your kidneys if consumed in large quantities. Stay with us as we uncover 7 surprising plant-based foods that could be causing more harm than good to your kidneys. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that might surprise many of you who are on a plant-based diet. While fruits, vegetables, and legumes are generally healthy, there are certain plant-based foods that, when consumed excessively or under specific health conditions, could potentially harm your kidneys. The kidneys play a crucial role in filtering out toxins and excess substances from our blood, so keeping them healthy is essential. Let's explore these 7 plant-based foods and understand why they might not be as kidney-friendly as you think. Plant-based diets are praised for their numerous health benefits. However, they are not without risks, especially when it comes to kidney health. Some plant-based foods contain high levels of certain compounds like oxalates, potassium, or phosphorus, which can be problematic for people with kidney issues or those at risk of developing them. If you're trying to protect your kidneys, it's essential to be aware of these foods and understand how to consume them safely. Number 1. Spinach is a leafy green that is highly nutritious, but also very high in oxalates, which are compounds that can form kidney stones when they bind with calcium in the urine. For people prone to kidney stones, consuming large amounts of spinach could increase the risk. Oxalates can build up in the kidneys, leading to stone formation and potentially severe pain. While spinach is healthy in moderate amounts, those at risk of kidney stones should be mindful of how much they consume and consider alternatives like kale or collard greens, which are lower in oxalates. Number 2. Beets are another food rich in oxalates. While they are great for heart health and have numerous vitamins and minerals, the high oxalate content can increase the likelihood of kidney stones in susceptible individuals. This is especially true for those with a history of calcium oxalate kidney stones. For those who enjoy beets but want to avoid potential kidney issues, it's best to consume them in moderation and balance them with other foods lower in oxalates. Number 3. Nuts and seeds like almonds, cashews, and sunflower seeds are often praised for their protein, healthy fats, and fiber. However, they are also high in phosphorus, a mineral that can be tough on the kidneys, especially for those with chronic kidney disease, CKD. When kidneys are not functioning properly, they struggle to filter out excess phosphorus, leading to a dangerous buildup in the blood that can weaken bones and damage organs. If you have kidney problems, it might be a good idea to limit your intake of nuts and seeds and consult with your healthcare provider for safe amounts. Number 4. Potatoes, especially when consumed with their skins, are rich in potassium. While potassium is an essential mineral that supports nerve and muscle function, too much of it can be harmful for people with kidney disease. The kidneys are responsible for balancing potassium levels in the body, and when they aren't functioning properly, high potassium levels can lead to dangerous conditions like hyperkalemia, which affects heart function. If you love potatoes but need to manage potassium intake, consider boiling them and then discarding the water, as this can reduce their potassium content. Number 5. Swiss chard, much like spinach and beets, is another leafy green that is high in oxalates. It's packed with vitamins A, C, and K, and many people love it for its slightly bitter taste. However, for those prone to kidney stones, Swiss chard can increase oxalate levels in the body and heighten the risk of stone formation. It's important to consume Swiss chard in moderation and include a variety of other greens in your diet that are lower in oxalates, such as arugula or lettuce. Number 6. Avocados are known for their healthy fats and delicious taste, but they are also very high in potassium. For individuals with kidney issues, too much potassium can be harmful. A single avocado can contain nearly 700 milligrams of potassium, which is quite a lot if you need to monitor your intake. High potassium levels can lead to muscle weakness, irregular heartbeat, and in severe cases, heart failure. If you need to limit potassium, consider opting for fruits lower in potassium, such as apples, grapes, or berries. Number 7. Bran cereals and whole grains are rich in fiber and nutrients, but can also be high in phosphorus. People with kidney disease need to be cautious with phosphorus because their kidneys may not be able to remove excess amounts from the blood. A buildup of phosphorus can lead to weak bones and heart problems. While whole grains are generally good for health, those with compromised kidney function should consult their healthcare provider to determine how much they can safely consume. The key takeaway here is that while plant-based foods are generally healthy and beneficial, some of them can pose a risk to kidney health, particularly if you have existing kidney problems or are prone to them. It's essential to be mindful of your food choices and understand which ones might need to be limited or balanced with other options. To summarize, the 7 plant-based foods that can potentially harm your kidneys include spinach, beets, nuts and seeds, potatoes, Swiss chard, avocados, and bran cereals. Each of these foods has its own health benefits, but also comes with specific risks for kidney health. Remember, moderation is key, and understanding how these foods affect your body can help you make smarter choices for your diet. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe to Wellness Warp for more health tips and wellness advice. If you have any questions or experiences to share about managing kidney health, drop them in the comments below.